And the answer is, when the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, Sallu, pray, as you had seen me pray, he did not differentiate. He did not make a difference between the prayers of men and women. Unlike some schools of thought that say women should not keep away their arms when they make sujood or ruku', they must conceal themselves in a particular fashion. All of this is not per the sunnah. The difference of women's prayer from a man's prayer is that if they are in the presence of non-mahram, they should not recite their prayers loud. But if they are praying home alone and no one is there of the non-mahram, they can pray Fajr, Maghrib and Isha, the first two rak'ahs in loud voice, and this is the sunnah.